Welcome to Nzima Today TV, your hub for the latest news updates and compelling stories from the Nzima region and beyond. Coming up, CCNP and GEAG to host media dialogue on the importance of Dumuri in honor of World Environment Day. Details now. As part of activities marking World Environment Day 2025, the Coalition of Concerned Nzima People, CCNP, in collaboration with the Ghana Environmental Advocacy Group, GEAG, is organizing a media-focused event under the theme, The Dumuri and its Significance to the People. The event will take place on Thursday, June 5, 2025, and will highlight the environmental and cultural relevance of Dumuri and its surrounding ecosystems. This gathering will bring together journalists, environmental advocates, community stakeholders, and opinion leaders to discuss how Dumuri contributes to local livelihoods, heritage, and biodiversity. The event also aims to draw attention to the environmental challenges facing the area and to inspire efforts towards its protection and sustainable use. Participants will have the opportunity to engage with visuals and narratives that showcase the region's natural beauty, from its coastline and forests to its wetlands, and gain deeper insight into why Dumuri must be preserved for current and future generations. The event is under the title Media Dialogue on the Dumuri and its Significance to the People. Date, Thursday, June 5, 2025, and venue is Bonyere. For further details, contact 0553 089 332 or 0247 509 420 or 0553 6555 95. This World Environmental Day, let's raise our voices for Dumuri, its people, its resources, and its future. Stay tuned for more updates.